Fraxinea, phytopatogenic fungus, which causes ash dieback. Common ash and narrow-leafed ash are especially susceptible to the disease. Also affected, American ash, black ash, Manchurian ash, red ash. Most researchers believe that Chalara fraxinea is an invasive organism that has been introduced into Europe from Southeast Asia. According to the European and Mediterranean Plant Protection Organization, the pathogenic fungus has been identified in 30 European countries so far. After pathogenic fungus Chalara fraxinea infests trees and coppice shoots, the tree crown dies out. Necrosis are found on leaves, stems, branches, and shoots of the tree. The affected leaves wither and become black. The infection spreads through the primary vein to the leaf stalk and gets to the shoots of the current year. Infestation of buds and shoots through the leaf cicatrices is also possible. The pathogen causes elongate necroses of the bark, which have an angular shape and a brown-orange coloration. This leads to dieback of shoots and branches. Color change of the wood can be seen on transverse and longitudinal sections of the affected branches and stems. Affected current year shoots die. Their color changes to reddish-brown and, after a while, to ochreish or dirty yellow. Upon the spot of the affected shoot, 2 or more shoots emerge the year after. They can also be affected by the disease, which leads to formation of shoot bundles with various dying back states. Rarely, the plant manages to localize the disease. In areas of infestation on large branches, tumors in the form of a roller can form. This is the way the tree tries to prevent the spread of the infection to the trunk. In the beginning, it was suggested that the phytopathogenic fungus Chalara fraxinea is the asexual stage of Ascomycetes hymenopsyphus albitus, in Europe also known as sapotroph, which does not cause diseases of ash. Molecular genetic studies of pathogenic isolates allow to classify the fungus to a new species, the so-called Hyphenocyphus pseudoalbitus. In late May, early July, apotheciums, fruiting bodies of Chalara fraxinea, are formed on fallen leaves and twigs, which remain since last year. Ascospores releasing from them are transferred to leaves of healthy plants for planting by airflows and infest them. The fungus spreads from the leaf to the leaf stalk and then to the tissues of the phloem and xylem, thereby causing necrotization and discoloration of the wood. The fungus forms indicative black plates on the surface of the leaf stalk and overwinters inside them. In the summer season, new apotheciums form and a new infection cycle begins. Leaves and branches of an infested plant are used for research for Chalara necrosis. Laboratory diagnostics of the fungus Chalara fraxinea are carried out using the moist chamber and nutritional medium methods. Microscopy, metamorphic analysis, and PCR analysis are also carried out. There are no effective ways of Chalara necrosis control right now. However, forest protection experts are currently working in the following areas: development of systems for the disease distribution monitoring, agrotechnical protection measures, selection of the most resistant ash species.